you a woodworking enthusiast looking to add precision and versatility to your toolkit? Or perhaps you're a professional carpenter seeking the ultimate palm router to bring your projects to the next level? Look no further. Today, we're diving deep into the world of palm routers, exploring the top contenders that promise to transform your woodworking experience. From intricate detailing to robust cutting, these compact powerhouses are the unsung heroes of the workshop. But which one will reign supreme? Join us as we count down from number 7 to the coveted number 1 spot, reviewing each product's features, uses, and our hands-on experience. Get ready to discover the best palm router that will not only meet but exceed your expectations. Seven. Makita 701 coulombs palm router. The Makita 701 coulombs is a compact router that packs a punch with its 1/4 HP motor. It's a versatile tool that comes with both a fixed base and a plunge base, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. Whether you're trimming laminate, creating custom cabinetry, or crafting intricate designs, this router is up to the task. Upon unboxing the Makita 701 coulombs, I was immediately impressed by its sturdy build and ergonomic design. The tool feels balanced in hand, and the quick-release gam lock system for depth adjustments is intuitive and precise. During use, the electronic speed control maintains consistent speed, resulting in smooth, clean cuts. I put the Makita 701 coulombs to the test by crafting bathroom cabinetry from some project lumber. The router effortlessly cut through the wood, and the fine depth adjustments allowed for meticulous detailing. The soft start feature is a welcome addition, ensuring that the initial torque doesn't jerk the tool, which can be a common issue with other routers. Makita is known for its quality, and the 701 coulombs is no exception. The aluminium motor housing and base construction provide durability without adding excessive weight. After several projects, the router shows no signs of wear, and the power remains consistent. Six. Bosch Colt Palm Grip Router PR20EVSK. The Bosch PR20 EVS, also known as the Colt, is a palm grip router that offers a blend of power and precision. Its ergonomic design and soft grip make it comfortable to hold, while the 5.6 amp motor provides ample power for a range of tasks, from trimming laminate to mortising hinges. Handling the Bosch Colt is a dream. The palm grip design fits snugly in your hand, giving you control and maneuverability. The variable speed dial is conveniently located and allows for easy speed adjustments on the fly. The depth adjustment system is accurate and easy to use, which is crucial for tasks requiring precision. During my time with the Bosch Colt, I used it for putting roundovers on deck railings and slot cutting. The router performed admirably, with the electronic speed control ensuring no loss of power under load. The microfine depth adjustment allows for precise and consistent results. Bosch tools are synonymous with quality, and the PR20 EVS is built to last. The rugged aluminium fixed base is both durable and stable. After extensive use, the router continues to perform like new, with no signs of diminished performance. Five. Makita RT 701CX7 Compact Router Kit. The Makita RT 701CX7 is a compact router kit that offers a powerful 1/4 HP motor. It's designed for a range of applications, including precision routing, trimming, and edge forming. The kit includes a fixed base, which accepts industry-standard template guides. The first thing I noticed about the RT 701CX7 was its high-visibility base design, which greatly improves handling and performance. The soft start feature ensures smooth start tips, and the electronic speed control maintains constant speed under load for a high-quality finish. I tested the RT701CX7 on a variety of materials, and it consistently delivered improved performance. The fixed base is stable and precise, and the ability to quickly remove the base to install other bases adds to its versatility. Makita's attention to quality is evident in the RT701CX7. The motor housing and base are robust, and the router has held up well against the rigors of frequent use. The performance remains top-notch, with no degradation over time. Four, Dewalt Router DWP611. The Dewalt DWP611 is a fixed base router with variable speed control, offering a 1.25 HP motor. It's suitable for a variety of woodworking tasks, including edge forming, decorative inlays, and sign making. The DWP611 feels solid and well balanced in hand. The rubber over molded grip provides comfort during extended use, and the LED light and clear subbase ensure excellent visibility. The depth adjustment ring offers precise depth changes up to 1/64 inch. In my workshop, the DWP611 excelled at detailed work, such as creating dovetail joints and intricate inlays. The full-time electronic feedback maintains motor speed through the cut, resulting in clean, accurate results. Dewalt's reputation for durability is upheld with the DWP611. The aluminium motor housing and base are designed to withstand the demands of a busy workshop. After numerous projects, the router continues to perform flawlessly. Three, DEWINNER electric hand palm router. The DEWINNER electric hand palm router is a versatile tool designed for woodworkers who need a reliable and easy-to-use router for their projects. It's ideal for edge trimming, groove cutting, and shaping wood surfaces. Upon using the DEWINNER router, I was impressed by its ergonomic design, which made it comfortable to hold and maneuver. The quick release lever for depth adjustment was straightforward, allowing for rapid changes during work. The router's performance on various woodworking tasks was commendable. It handled edge trimming and groove cutting with ease, and the motor provided sufficient power for consistent cuts without bogging down. The build quality of the DEWINNER router felt solid, with a durable casing that seemed capable of withstanding regular use in a workshop environment. The components operated smoothly, and there were no issues with overheating or excessive vibration. Two, Ryobi R18TR01 Plus Cordless Trim Router. The Ryobi R18TR01 Plus is a cordless trim router that's part of Ryobi's One Plus system, allowing it to be powered by any One Plus battery. It's designed for edge trimming, decorative edging, and other fine detail work. The freedom of a cordless router cannot be overstated, and the Ryobi R18TR0 delivers on this front. The balance and grip are comfortable, and the convenience of not being tethered to a power outlet enhances the overall user experience. I found the Ryobi R18TR0 to be surprisingly powerful for a cordless model. It handled hard wood edging tasks with no issues, and the battery life was more than adequate for extended use on a single charge. Ryobi tools are known for their solid construction, and this router is no exception. It feels robust and has held up well against the test of time and use. The plastic components are of high quality and do not feel flimsy. 1. Bosch 1617 EVS Electronic Fixed Base Router. The Bosch 1617 EVS is a powerful fixed base router with a 2.25 HP motor, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, from heavy-duty plunge cuts to delicate inlays. It features variable speed control and a soft start mechanism. The first thing you'll notice about the 1617 EVS is its heft and solid construction. The handles are comfortable, and the variable speed dial is easily accessible. The micro fine bit depth adjustment is precise, allowing for accurate and repeatable cuts. The 1617 EVS is a workhorse. It plows through even the toughest hardwoods with ease, and the constant response circuitry ensures consistent speed under load. The power and precision of this router are impressive. Bosch's commitment to quality shines through with the 1617 EVS. The aluminium construction is both durable and lightweight, and the power switch is sealed to prevent dust infiltration. This router is built to last and perform at a high level for years to come. Conclusion. From the versatile Makita 701 coulombs to the powerhouse Bosch 1617 EVS, we've explored a range of palm routers that cater to different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize power, precision, or portability, there's a router on this list that's sure to enhance your woodworking projects. Remember, the right tool can make all the difference in your work, so choose wisely and happy routing.